Welcome, Thimple another video. In this video, I will show you how to change or customize REST-free WordPress theme general option. For this job, first you need to log in your WordPress dashboard. After login, just click appearance and theme option. Then you will see this interface and quick work here. If you want to change theme color or you have a custom theme color, just enable this option and select your own color. Then preloader icon. If you show preloader icon in your website, just enable this. And if you don't need, just disable this. And if you want, click here to select your own preloader color 2 and preloader full with background color. Then if you want show all of comment in your all pages, just enable this option. And if you don't need, just click here and disable. Then top to button setting. If you want, you have a top to button icon, just enable this app. And if you don't need, just click here to disable. Then if you want, select your own uh, top to button icon and top to button icon color, top to button icon background. And finally, save changes. Thank you.